Hello again. So where I'm going is trail right here. This is Mount Granite. And then I'm going up this valley. And I believe the pass is out of sight. That's Lake Ann Pass that I'm hiking towards. This feels a little like a morning in Glacier. Waking up, it's cold. There's snow around. And you're walking a few miles up towards a pass in the morning. Yeah. Show you the aspens up here. And the moon. I feel like there's already less snow up there than when I first looked at it this morning. Okie dokie. Bye.